Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. Today, we're going to continue our study of the coordinate plane by creating a new image. And so when we create our image, we will need our x-axis. And on our x-axis, we will have positive numbers to the right of 0 and negative numbers to the left of 0. And on our y-axis, we will have positive numbers above 0 and negative numbers below 0. And in this case, we're going to create a face that is both happy and sad by plotting points. And so let's begin with 0, 9 right here. And so we're going to go on our x-axis and find 0, and then we're going to move up to 9 right here, and we're going to make our first point. And then we're going to connect this point to our second point, which is 7, 8. And if you recall, we always do the x value first, then we go y. So let's move over to 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we'll move up the elevator. We'll move up the y-axis to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there we go. And remember, we're going to connect our first point to our second point. And then let's go to 8, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's move up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and make our third point. And you notice that x and y are positive up to here, which means that we are in quadrant 1. This is quadrant 1 where both x and y are positive. All right, and so let's continue to 8, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0, and we make our fourth point right there, and we're going to connect that line. And then we are going to move down into our fourth quadrant by going over to 9 and then down to 6, down to -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, down to -6. And we're going to follow this just as you see the numbers right here. And so let's go over to 6, -10, over to 6, down to -10, and make another point, all the while connecting our lines. And then we will go to 2, -11. So +1, +2, down to -11, connecting points. Then we will go over to -2, -11, and notice that -2 is on the other side of 0, but we still have to go down to -11 right here to connect the points. And then we'll go over to -6, -10. And as you can see, we're moving very well as we're creating our image. Then we will move to -8, -7, which is right here. But notice there is a little difference. It's a little bit of a dumper right here because our face is happy on this side. And so what we're going to do, we're going to move from -8, -7 to -8 to +7 straight up right here. And we'll make our point. And then we'll move to -7, 8, and we'll make this point, and then we're going to connect this point back to this to complete our face. Now it is up to you to create the nose, the right eye, the right eyebrow. And when you create the right eyebrow, please go in this direction and follow the points just like you see here, starting with 1, 4 and ending with 1, 4. You're going to do the same thing with the left eyebrow. You're going to start with -1, 4 and end with -1, 4. You will go ahead and work on the left eye going in this direction, just like you see here. And you should have two identical eyes, as you see right here in the image. And then finally, let's see if you can create the mouth that is happy on one side and sad on the other. All right, this would be a good time to pause the video or play the video back as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of this concept. But please comment, please like, please share, and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.